Hello, welcome to the.sercombes. Yes, we're doing it. We are doing it today. I bet you've heard of it already. It's the Iceland Pepper X Chicken Tikka Masala. Obviously, as you can see there, it says 18 plus only. So that's not only for you've got to be 18 or over to buy, you've also got to be 18 or over to consume. So it's in the microwave as we speak, which is worrying. There it is. But yes, we'll have to see what it looks like. Obviously, it's going to burn my mouth out. People that have done it have said it's going to burn my mouth out. But yeah, there it is. That's just the first bit. Add a bit of a stir, then go back in. Oh. Yeah, it's cooked. It's cooked. You can see it here. It's steaming a bit. It's just steaming. Let it cool down a bit. I have got some rice that I'm going to mix it up with. But just going to let it cool down a little bit first, because I just don't want it to be, boiling hot, as in heat, not in chilly heat. You know what I mean? And then I'll try a mouthful before it gets shoved in my bowl with the rice and stuff, and you can see that, and then during, and then the aftermath. And God, just gonna leave it a little bit longer, because you can literally see how steamy that is. It won't be long now.
The reflectors as well.
Oh. Right, here we go. I'm going to try the it just here.
You're not, are you?
Yeah, Right, so yeah, it's cooled down enough for me to try it now. Like I said, I'm going to try it just like that, and then it's going to be mixed up with my rice, and I'm going to continue eating it, because this is my dinner. This is all I've got for dinner. So if I don't like it, then I starve. At the end of the day, that's just it. So, are you ready? Because I'm not. Right. Cheers. No, that has got a bit. Oh,
Yeah, I've got a kick.
that has got that's got a kick to it. Oh, but it does actually taste really nice. It does actually taste really nice. So if you like your heat, try it. Obviously I'll do a little bit more as it goes on, obviously where I've got my rice and stuff. But yeah. Oh, that is all mixed up with the rice. And but wow, it makes your eyes water, I'll tell you that. It is hot. Really hot, but like I said, it is really nice. And yeah, like I said, this is for no one under the age of 18, not just to buy it, to also consume it. So yeah, you probably don't want to either. So thanks for watching. There's also a mac and cheese one. I might try that. But not yet. Just, yeah. But yeah, it is nice. Oh, just to add at the end, my lips are on fire. I've got that much left. I've had to get some milk. Oh, when I said it was hot and really hot, I meant it. It's bloody hot. Oh.